me tell you about one of the most toxic traits of ADHD that I see not only in myself but also in the clients that I serve. Hi, my name is Alex and I am a clinical therapist, and I work primarily with neurodivergent clients as well as clients with severe trauma and anxiety disorder. And I think one of the most toxic and self-destructive traits that we possess is judging ourselves by our best days. Like, we set our best days as the baseline, and with ADHD, our best days are like once in a blue moon. It's like the ADHD brain has a werewolf of productivity that lives inside of it. Like, every once a month, we're like, I'm gonna clean the entire house, write a research paper, make a cake, and do all my filing all at once. I will own the world! And then we wake up the next day disoriented and in pain and wondering where we are, sometimes naked in a field. Okay, maybe I'm the only one that wakes up naked in a field. But then we spend the rest of the time trying to unlock that Konami cheat code of neurodivergence. Like, I can do this once a month, but I can't do this every day. How do I do this every day? I must beat myself up until I can do this every day. And part of that is because, other people see us being amazing and productive on this one day, and they're like, well, you should just be able to do that all the time. And your brain's like, hey, yeah, I'd love to, but can't. And then for some reason, we make our exceptional days our baseline, and we look at all other days as failures instead of recognizing that our experience is a collection of days, not just one day, not just 2 days, but every day. And then we spend the rest of the time feeling like we suck because we can't unlock that cheat code in our brain. Like, we think about, okay, well, what did I eat yesterday? How much did I sleep yesterday? What was different about yesterday and the night before that makes today so different? Did I do better self-care? Like, what's going on? Yeah, self-care does help improve overall function, but it's not like some miracle cure that's going to make everything perfect every single day. And whether we're driven by anxiety or motivation or whatever, or hyperfixation, it's such a huge mix of possibilities and ideas that even an Excel spreadsheet would not be able to determine what makes us function the way we do. And then, God forbid, we get distracted or derailed on one of our highly productive days, because that can cause, an intense emotional response or meltdown. Especially if we're in that, magic zone where we're just doing and doing and doing and going and going and going, and then something happens, like somebody sends us a text message, or somebody makes a phone call, or somebody has the audacity to, be in the house when we're in the house doing the thing that makes us excited and cleany. I don't think cleany's a word, but it is now. Cleany. And suddenly that part of your brain that's like David Bowie riding a tiger made of lightning just derails completely, and we're like, how do I take out the trash? And we judge ourselves on it, we beat ourselves up for it, instead of just simply accepting the fact that life is like an irregular flowchart. Offer yourself grace today.